At Xebec Deburring Technologies, we can help you modernize your process with innovative cutting tools for the automated deburring and finishing of machined parts. In this video, we are going to answer some of the most common questions we get from first-time customers. And of course, you can call or email us anytime at sales@deburringtechnologies.com to talk to one of our application specialists. What makes Xebec ceramic fiber products different? Well, there's actually quite a few things. First of all, they are a cutting tool that performs best at the prescribed speeds and feeds for different materials and applications. All of Xebec's brushes and stones are made from our patented continuous ceramic fibers, which are woven to create self-sharpening filaments for consistent cutting action on the tips. This means no binders or fillers like other similar-looking tools. Plus, our fibers will not deform after repeated use like other products such as nylon impregnated or wire brushes. This results in significantly increased tool life, unrivaled grinding power, and consistent, controllable finishing quality every time. What are the key characteristics of Xebec ceramic fiber brushes? We have 4 bristle variations, denoted by color, that provide different levels of aggressiveness for various materials or burr sizes, as well as finishing applications. Our tools can be used in materials up to 65 Rockwell C, and we're able to reliably surface finish to and below a 3.9 RA, depending on the material and conditions, and we can often do better. We have sizes ranging from the 1 mm all the way up to 200 mm diameters for our brushes, with accessories to maximize productivity for your application. And the unique shearing action of our brushes will cleanly remove burrs with minimal edge break. Xebec's surface brush is our most popular, but we also have N-type brushes which are designed for small or narrow part features and can be used in handheld or CNC machines. While the extra-large surface brushes are great for parts with wider surface areas. And the wheel brush allows perpendicular contact in a machine for deburring and polishing of side surfaces and inner diameters. What types of parts and applications are Xebec tools typically used for? Well, we have proven success in materials from plastic, aluminum, stainless steel, Inconel, and other hard and difficult materials. Our products are used by leading global manufacturers in the aerospace, energy, medical, firearms, powertrain, and production industries. We focus on production machine part applications for CNC mills and lathes, robotic applications, and special machines that require consistent results in deburring and finishing with high demands for productivity and quality. We're a great choice for any application with a surface roughness or lay pattern requirement. Each pass with a Xebec brush will improve surface roughness by approximately 1/2, and we are able to offer the most controllable CNC finishing in the industry. Depending on the material and conditions, we can get you to a 4 RA, or better. In some cases, additional hand polishing is still required if a mirror finish is called for, but many times it comes off of the machine finished at or below spec. What is Xebec stone? Xebec's abrasive ceramic fiber is also used to create solid stones with cutting edges exposed across the entire surface. The abrasive flexible shaft stones are used for deburring crossholes and detailed finishing of parts in CNC machines, robots, or handheld rotary tools. Available with ball, cylinder, or disc-type stones on a long flexible shaft that allows soft contact with the workpiece. We also have the mounted point stones, which can be used in pneumatic tools at extremely high rotational speed. The same patented continuous ceramic fibers used in our CNC tools are also used to create a huge selection of hand finishing tools for more intricate workpieces. Our Meister finish sticks and rods are still very popular for manual use or in rotary and ultrasonic tools. Which Xebec tools are used to deburr holes? Xebec's crosshole brushes are designed for deburring and polishing of inner wall surfaces of cylindrical bores such as screw and crossholes. Refer to the table in the catalog or on the website to determine the right size brush for your hole. Depending on the application, you could also use a flexible shaft stone, the back burr cutter, or the wheel brush for larger diameters. Our application specialists can help you determine the optimal solution for your specific workpiece. What other deburring tools does Xebec make? In addition to our popular brushes and stones, Xebec has created several innovative cutting tools that are helping to lead the charge towards lights-out manufacturing, such as the Xebec back burr cutter and deburring path used for the CNC deburring of entry and exit holes in a single pass, including elliptical and off-center holes and even complex edge profiles. How is Xebec's cutter and deburring path different from other mechanical cutters? Well, we're providing an out-of-the-box solution that includes the deburring path. By doing this, we are able to guarantee burr-free performance by utilizing an innovative process with a continuously shifting contact point using our unique blade design. This means you get consistently beautiful results and maximize tool life every time, 3 to 5 times faster than similar products and guaranteed burr-free edges. Our assortment of cutters are offered in several styles and lengths, either coated or uncoated for a variety of hard and soft materials. We have an online application tool that makes it easy for customers to assess standard hole-type deburring paths on our website with immediate confirmation of compatibility for their application. The final path is delivered via email and the cutters ship from our stock. A standard path and tool can be delivered to a customer in 1 to 3 weeks depending on the application. Complex applications that aren't part of the standard hole types can also be easily processed through our reps. When the customer receives the deburring path download, each program includes up and down cutting, incremental and absolute modes, and 5 levels of chamfer size or depth. It is the best choice for critical production parts that require precise deburring. By offering the deburring path with our back burr cutter, we can eliminate the hassle and testing required and get your production back up to capacity with a tool and path that are guaranteed to perform to spec without leaving secondary burrs. What is the best tool for chamfers? The back burr cutter and deburring path can produce a chamfer, but we also offer a new, unique burless chamfering cutter, designed for precise chamfers using a patented, multi-blade, V-shaped design. It cuts an exact chamfer without forming secondary burrs, eliminating the time and costs of additional deburring. You can easily create the path using the offset table on our website or in our catalog. How much do Xebec tools cost? List prices and stock availability for all of our products are available on our website, deburringtechnologies.com. Xebec tools often cost less than other premium cutting tools, but considering how much they save in the long run, it means they are actually a lot cheaper to use than sticking with old and outdated methods of deburring and finishing. Production manufacturers usually see a significant overall savings when introducing Xebec. Our tools, when properly used, will reduce the total cost per part by cutting total production time and labor costs, increased tool life, higher productivity and quality, plus fewer scrap parts and injuries. These things all add up to a substantial overall savings, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars per year for our customers. Our unique continuous ceramic fibers contain very little binders and fillers, and they will deburr and finish much faster than other CNC deburring tools, resulting in higher productivity and quality. Our website offers additional resources that can help you determine the exact return on investment for your application. The numbers can be eye-opening. How do I determine the right products for my application? Well, we have a variety of resources on our website for selecting our products, as well as case studies for different applications in a variety of industries and materials that will aid in choosing the correct product. If you're unsure, just give us a call and our application specialists can help. How do I know if Xebec will be a good solution for my application? Our tools are best suited for production jobs on modern machines that will result in higher productivity and consistent quality. In most cases, we need to have the ability for our tool to be rotating, so a live spindle on a lathe application may be necessary. And we will need to have the angle and clearance to access the part features. We have extensive video demonstrations, a blog, tech tips, and more in the Learning Center on our website. And our North American network of sales directors, authorized manufacturers reps, and customer service personnel are highly skilled, certified application specialists in the selection and use of our products. Contact us to discuss the possible solutions for your application or request testing. How do I use the tools? Instruction manuals with all of the starting operating parameters including speed, feed rate, depth of cut and brush projection in a variety of materials are all available on our website at deburringtechnologies.com/specs. You'll also find tips for maximizing performance and making adjustments. Like any cutting tool, they must be run correctly to achieve the desired performance and maximum tool life. We also offer an optional floating holder designed to soften the approach, which will improve quality and extend tool life even further, but it is not required. Always follow the starting operating parameters to begin. Then incremental adjustments can be made to improve quality or extend tool life. Material, brush color, speed, feed, depth of cut, brush projection, approaching angle, spin direction, use of floating holder and use of coolant will all affect results. Never exceed the maximum speed for the tool and always follow all safety precautions. Are specials or different sizes available? Due to production and design limitations, there are limited opportunities for specials, but some can be accommodated depending on the volume. Contact your local sales director or manufacturer's representative for more information. Can brush remove cutter marks? Yes, in most cases it can, but it depends on the material and conditions. Contact us about your application. Xebec brushes can typically improve surface finish by approximately 1/2 per pass. We pride ourselves on the surface quality we can achieve. Will the brush alter or change part dimensions? Do I need to leave extra stock? It is not necessary to leave extra stock. Just machine the part to spec and then finish with Xebec. The brushes will improve surface roughness without altering the dimensions for a precise fit. Does it leave a residue behind on the part? No residues are left behind on the part surface the way nylon impregnated brushes might. It will create a minimal amount of dust inside the machine, but it doesn't leave anything toxic or corrosive behind. Is coolant required? Coolant is not required, but it will improve results and tool life and is always recommended. Is the brush impregnated? No. Each bristle is made entirely from continuous ceramic fibers. Can brushes achieve a mirror finish? Xebec brushes can usually get you to your surface roughness spec or RA requirement on their own, but it may require additional buffing or polishing to achieve the shiny, mirror finish look. Xebec brushes can cut up to 90% of the total finishing and polishing time. How long is the tool life? It is impossible to say because of all the factors involved, but it will last significantly longer than any other deburring tool. The only way to know exactly is to test it. Material and parameters will all affect tool life, but if run correctly, you should see several thousand more passes compared to a nylon impregnated brush. Are Xebec tools safe to use? Yes. When used correctly, they can eliminate several common causes of injury from manual deburring, such as flying debris, handling sharp parts, and repetitive motion injuries. Where can I buy Xebec tools? In North America, our products are sold exclusively through our network of authorized industrial distributors. Contact us to help you find one in your area. We do offer a guaranteed trial order for approved applications, and we can assist in selecting and operating our tools for success in your project. Our sales directors and authorized manufacturers' reps are available to assist virtually or in person with your applications nationwide. Most Xebec products are in stock for next-day shipping from Central Ohio. Price and availability can be accessed on our website under the Cost tab. Send us an email at sales@deburringtechnologies.com to discuss your application goals with one of our experts.